In this quick video, you will learn how to replace the battery in your Nissan 350Z key fob. This process is very easy to do at home. The whole thing will take you less than 5 minutes from start to finish, and the only things that you will need are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2025 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, go check out that first link down in the description. That link will take you over to an Amazon listing where you can find these particular batteries that work with this device for just a few bucks. And then we can just get right into it. Grabbing your flathead, just look down to the bottom here. You can see there's that opening. We're just going to insert the flathead. You could also use a coin here and just put it in and twist, and the device will crack open. You can then just pull it apart. Go ahead and set this down for now. We're going to come over here and work on the battery, and you can just use the same flathead screwdriver to come over, find the kind of an opening like the one right here in the corner, and I'm just going to use my flathead to gently pop the battery out, just prying the battery up and out. So here we go. This is the CR2025. You can go ahead and dispose of your old one, grab your new one, and make sure when you put it in here that you are putting the positive side down. So you want to see just this empty back negative side facing up. And once you snap that into place, you can just put this back together. So go ahead and just line the two halves up and squeeze. And with that, you are finished and you have a new battery in there and you are good to go. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. If you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials just like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get all of this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.